you're watching this video, chances are you've already thought about becoming a freelancer. Maybe you want to earn extra income, maybe you're planning to quit your job, or maybe you just hate bosses. Whatever your reason, starting a freelance career may seem confusing. There are so many places to promote your services, so many skills to learn, and so many questions to ask potential clients. Well, guess what? It doesn't have to be difficult. Let's become a freelancer. All you really need are two: a skill you can teach and someone willing to pay for it. Everything else is just extra. Here are 12 beginner-friendly steps to kickstart your freelancing career. Step number 1. Figure out what skill to sell. Not so long ago, I asked myself the same question, and I realized something. I didn't have any special skills. Sure, I was great at math, physics, and programming, but were those valuable to others? Well, I soon discovered that I had an untapped superpower: explaining complex topics simply. I started making YouTube videos teaching high school science, and it turned out that people liked it. More than 100,000 students and teachers around the world watched my videos every month. Looking back, I wish I realized earlier that communication is one of the most useful skills out there. People always need to tell stories, explain ideas, and persuade others. This is why almost anyone can become a good freelancer. You see, we tend to underestimate our skills and think we need to be experts before getting paid. But the truth is, if you can talk to people, write text, or make visuals, you're already on the right track. Step number 2, identify your target audience. Before you jump into everything, take a step back and think about who you want to help. For example, do you want to work with other creators like me, with businesses trying to grow, or maybe with other freelancers needing additional support? Identifying your target audience is crucial because it allows you to tailor your services to their needs and communicate with them effectively. Step number 3, set up an online presence. To get noticed, you need a place to showcase your skills. And don't worry, I'm not talking about building a complicated website. Starting with social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube is just fine. These platforms help you connect with potential clients and establish yourself as an expert in your field. Sharing your knowledge through articles or videos also builds trust and shows what you can do. I personally love platforms like Medium and Dev because they allow me to connect with tech-savvy individuals looking for software solutions. Remember, you don't have to be everywhere. Just pick the platforms where your target audience hangs out. Step number 4, learn how to negotiate. Negotiation is an essential skill for freelancers because it directly affects your income. Fortunately, it's also a skill that most schools don't teach. Luckily, you can master it by watching a few tutorials online. And let me tell you a little story. When I was just starting out on freelance platforms, I often found myself accepting jobs below market value. I felt pressured to take any job I could get. But over time, I learned the importance of knowing my worth. Today, I've stopped accepting projects under $500 unless it's something very big. I don't waste my time bidding on low-paying projects anymore. Instead, I focus on clients who value my expertise and are willing to pay accordingly. This shift has significantly improved my work-life balance and allowed me to deliver higher quality work. Step number 5, find your pricing strategy. This is another tough one because there are so many pricing strategies out there. Should you charge hourly, daily, or based on project outcomes? How much should you charge per hour? Should you give discounts? Truth is, the answer depends on your industry, experience, and target audience. Some industries are more competitive and require lower prices to attract clients, especially in the beginning. Others allow you to charge more without even having previous experience. Personally, I recommend charging clients based on the project's final price. This way you can avoid wasting time tracking hours worked and stay motivated by focusing on the end goal. Step number 6, prepare a portfolio. Showcasing your work helps clients understand what you can do and builds trust. You can include images, videos, testimonials, and links to your previous projects. It doesn't matter if you haven't completed client projects yet. You can always feature your academic work, hobbies, or volunteer experiences. If you're starting out, try creating some projects that you can add to your portfolio. For instance, make a cool infographic on a topic you're interested in or develop a simple app. Step number 7, create a contract template. Contracts protect both you and your clients. They clarify the terms of your agreement and prevent misunderstandings down the road. A contract should include details like payment terms, project deadlines, and intellectual property rights. You can find free templates online or even use Google Docs to create one. I've included a link to a useful resource in the video description. Using a template saves you time and ensures you cover all essential aspects of your agreements. Step number 8. Set clear deadlines. Time management is crucial for freelancers. Clearly defined deadlines help you prioritize tasks, estimate project durations, and avoid last-minute stress. Include deadlines in your contract and communicate them clearly to your clients. This helps set expectations and keeps everyone on track. No. Saying no is a powerful tool for protecting your time and energy. Freelancing can be demanding and it's easy to take on too much, but overcommitting can lead to burnout and missed deadlines. Politely declining projects that do not align with your goals or capacity allows you to focus on the work that matters most. Step number 10. Manage your finances. Managing your finances is a critical aspect of successful freelancing. Keep track of income and expenses, set financial goals, and consider using accounting software to simplify the process. Setting aside funds for taxes and unexpected costs is also essential. Step number 11. Develop your soft skills. Soft skills like communication, teamwork, and problem-solving are vital for freelancers. Continuously work on improving these skills through practice and feedback. This will help you build better client relationships and handle challenges effectively. Step number 12. Don't stop learning. The freelance world is constantly evolving. Stay updated with industry trends, learn new skills, and be open to change. Continuous learning will help you adapt to new opportunities and remain competitive. So there you have it, 12 beginner-friendly steps to help you embark on your freelancing journey. Remember, starting small and continuously improving is key. All you need is a skill and the willingness to help others. With dedication and hard work, you'll be well on your way to building a successful freelance career. Now, it's time to take action. Share this video with friends who might benefit, and remember to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy freelancing.